What up, YouTube? It's Foster with Tech a Day, and it is 2:04 a.m. where I'm at. Make an actual video of what needs to be changed so you guys can get your notifications on Gmail, and we can stop all this slander on the Motorola Razr Fold. The customer service sucks at Motorola. That part, and that's another video, that part is true. But the Motorola Razr Fold 2026, that phone is amazing. So let's get into what's going on. So the first thing you're going to have to do, and the reason most likely you are not getting notifications, one of the reasons potentially, is this phone, like many Chinese phones, has a battery optimization setting that is on by default. And actually, today, I figured out how you can turn it off for every app. And I'm going to show you both ways to do this. So the first thing to do is just to make sure you turn it off for Gmail. So just find the app anywhere on the device, long press the app, hit the information button, right? When you hit the information button, go to app battery usage. Now, the setting that will be enabled by default is called Smart Use. And it states that the app will be automatically managed in the background. And what this is doing is it's basically shutting off or putting to sleep your Gmail app in the background and not allowing it to turn on. So in my case, what it was doing was, depending on the frequency of how your Gmails and stuff come on, the app is basically sleep. And so I was getting notifications anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes after they actually came in. I was literally watching the phone. They would buzz on my Z Fold 7, and then literally anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes later, or when I refreshed on my own, then they would all populate on my Razr Fold. And so I changed this to always allow on the Gmail app specifically, and boom, automatically this thing started lighting up like a Christmas tree. Now, the other way to do this is if you go into the settings, scroll down to battery, and if you scroll down, where is it at? Battery usage. Nope, not battery usage. See, should have looked this up. Manage background. Manage backgrounds app. Here we go. If you go to manage background apps, this is that setting. If you turn this on, this will be turned on by default when you go here. If you turn this is, as you can see, it is always allow, don't allow, smart use. 147 apps have smart use on them. So if you have smart use on them, this thing is shutting off apps, turning them on. It's dictating, based on what it's deciding, how your apps are working in the background, whether it's putting stuff to sleep. This will highly and can specifically will shut down, and for notifications, depending on how many you get, it will shut apps down and you will not get notifications. So you can either go through your messaging apps and just specifically put them on always allow, or like I did, because I'm just testing it to see how my battery life is without it, just turn it off altogether. That's how you turn that app off, how you turn that off altogether. Now, there's another setting in here, and I don't know why this changed on my phone or how it changed, but it did. If you go into, let me go out because I was already in here, so you guys know exactly how to do it. Go into your Gmail, scroll down the settings, and then go into your actual mailbox. You know, I've got a lot of mailboxes, so go into your mailbox. Now, you always want to make sure notifications are all. Now you want to go into inbox notifications. Somehow in mine, this notify for every messages was not highlighted. I don't know why. I don't know if it was this phone that did it. I don't know if it was my old phone that did it. I don't know why, but this was not highlighted. And I don't know how it got unhighlighted. You have to make sure this is highlighted. If this is not highlighted, you will not be notified when the message comes in. So the message, it's not that you're not getting the message. You just don't get, your phone doesn't notify you because you're not telling it to notify you. So make sure this is checked for every one of your accounts. I guarantee you, Mr. Mobile, if you go into your settings, this is not highlighted. That, and if you're not getting any messages or any notifications whatsoever, this is not highlighted, right? It's not highlighted. So as long as you have notifications all, and then this is just low-hanging fruit, and I would just assume everyone would have done this. And I'm just gonna, you got to make sure you got to go on notifications, hit the app info again, notifications, and make sure that's turned on. I'm assuming you check that first, but you just got to check that. And that's, that's got to be on to get notifications. So if all three of those things are done, you should 100% get notifications, and that will solve the Gmail notification problem on the Google. The Google. It's early, man. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. On the Motorola Razr Fold 2026. Again, like I said, check that link in the bio, in the description. I got the Amazon store. If you need any screen protectors, chargers, anything, man, hit that link. It helps the channel. And also, too, man, give me a like and a subscribe. Also, hit me in the comments if you are afflicted with this problem. Let me know. Also, if you have any other questions, let me know. Talk to you guys later.